Hey, if you don't want to build your funnel from scratch, no problem. In this video, I will show you how to use pre-built funnel templates in GoHighLevel. So you can launch your pages fast and start collecting leads right away. Now, even if you are total beginner, no matter, you can do that. Now, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. So if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial of GoHighLevel. That's the double of the official one. And you can get the access of the live bootcamp and you can get some exclusive bonuses. So don't miss that, and let's get back to the video. Now, once you are inside of your GoHighLevel account or the dashboard, just click on these sites to get over on this funnel. Now click on this add new or new funnel. You will see there are some options from blank, funnel AI, and the from templates. So just click on this from template and click on continue. Now you will find there are hundreds of templates. You can preview them before choosing. So let's say I loved this one or like this one, or I want to work with this, then I will click on this choose template. Now let's give it a time to load this template. So once it loads, you can edit text, image, or a button as needed. So after that, after doing all of this thing, you can just simply click on this save, or to publish this, just click on this publish, and your page is ready to launch. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily use the pre-built funnel template in GoHighLevel. It's super fast and easy. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like and comment the easy access below. And I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to check the link from the description. Bye bye.